Good morning, Dan.
What'd you say, Paul? Good morning.
How are we doing?
Yeah, we're doing nice. We're doing great. It's a whole new week now.
It's a whole new week, a new start, and more challenges and a new plan to finish a few more tasks in the little tiny house.
As you can see, we've got the aluminium sheet wrapped up on the inside of the house. It's not completely finished now, but we are almost there. As you can see, the ceiling is finished and partly the walls are finished. And what we're gonna do next is, once we finish all of that, then we're gonna start lining up the walls with our wooden boards. And that's gonna make a whole lot of difference, I think, when we start to line up the walls. Then you can really get a sense of the space inside, you know. This aluminum sheet, it has made basically two main roles, right? So the first one is to seal the walls, the inside of the walls, from the moist. So basically all the moist that gets built up inside the house from just people living in it, from cooking, from showering and whatnot. This stops it from traveling through the walls, you know. So that means that the walls and the insulation inside and the wood and everything, they won't get wet with time. The second role would be to make the house airtight. We install this sheet, but we also glue it. I don't know if you can see, because this is what was left from the floor, and then we install the next sheet to the wall, and this is like the aluminium tape which we used, and we're gonna seal it together. We're gonna tape it together all around, you know, all around the house.
So the plan for the week, we're gonna finish the aluminium sheet, and then we're gonna build the inside walls. Are we gonna do the bathroom as well?
Yeah, we're gonna start on the bathroom as well, hopefully, to finish the lining there as well, because then that's gonna dictate when we're gonna start getting the plumbers in.
Yes.
Because we don't do the plumbing ourselves. So these specialized jobs, like plumbing or electric, we hire specialized people for that.
Because we're professionals, so we don't take risks.
No,
we get
of course not.
proper people to do the correct job.
Of course, yeah. I mean, we can't do everything ourselves. That would be nice, but we're not qualified for those type of jobs. We are for this, but like electric, and that's way too important to mess about. It's also a challenge for us because we ship in different countries around Europe.
Yep.
And different countries, they have different regulations.
So we always have to be aware.
So we always have to be aware where we ship and what type of regulations there are there. So it's a challenge, but it's manageable, you know. We need some steps to get inside the house, because at the moment we have to step like 65 centimeters or so.
We have to keep jumping in the house.
You have to keep jumping in the house, yes.
To be honest, this is something that the client will need, but we need it more now.
Yeah, so we bought ourselves some decking wood from which we're gonna build some steps. So it's gonna be easier, and we're also gonna give that to the client, of course, when the house is finished. Right, so Paul has cut all the necessary wood pieces for our steps, and now it's time to put them together.
It's time to build a basic step for a tiny home.
Yeah, it's a basic design, really.
We'll post a picture of the project that Dan's made, so every step or every piece that you build should have a project, because then you have the right measurements and you know you're not going to mess up.
Exactly.
So he gave me all the measurements. We cut the wood in all the different sizes that we need, and all that's left now is to assemble it.
Yeah, Let's get on
And
it.
that's it. Let's get on it. Let's go and take the steps at the entrance of the house.
Yeah, just do it. They heavy?
Do you know what? They're not light, but they're not super heavy. Because it's the top bit.
Right.
So obviously we have it lifted on our pillars, but it's there. It's there.
Look at that.
Right. If I take the camera,
try.
I want you to have the
What?
honor to be the first person
Yeah?
to step in the tiny
Step
house.
on it?
But like always, stay tiny, and we'll
Yeah. We'll keep you updated.
we'll keep you updated midweek. But yeah.
Okay, guys. Stay tiny.